All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. Check it out. This is the tiniest box that we have gotten in Battlbox. This thing is so tiny. This thing is tiny. Very, very small. Has a bunch of stuff in here. I'm going to show it to you guys. Some of you guys like this video, some of you guys don't. It is what it is. This is kind of like a subscription box, right? And what happened is that every month you get it to your house. Obviously, let me share my screen so I can show you some of the stuff. And again, every month you get it to the house and it has, you know, survival stuff and stuff that you may use. You have different levels. You have your basic, you have your advanced, you have your pro, you have your pro plus. Now, Battlebox sent this to my channel here for me to show it to you guys. I don't really review or anything like that. I open up the box and I show you what it has. So then you guys got strong opinions about it. I gotta hear every single month. I do too. You know what? For $160 a month, you could buy a motorcycle. So again, that's up to you if you want to do it or not. What I come to find out is that some people have money and some people don't care about spending a little bit of money to have things like this. One thing that I would tell you is that with time pass, you kind of build like a really nice setup. Right? Eventually, you're gonna have so much stuff around here. Like I got so much stuff. There's always some good stuff that you could give away to some friends. There's always good stuff that you could use. There's always good stuff like, look, I was using this the other day. This is a rope that came in the last bottle box. You see, I cut it and I used some of this. I went camping and I took some stuff to camp. So let's go ahead and change the camera right here. Let me make sure that I'm in frame. Open it up and kind of show you what we got. Again, look at this. Very, very small. Just my hand right there. Just give you an idea. My computer mouse kind of give you an idea. Let's open it up and let's kind of go through it, right? Let me move my microphone out of the way. And yeah, about there. That sounds pretty good. So again, you're going to have your book. And essentially this book right here is going to tell you everything that comes in the box. And I'm going to open it up. This is mission 74. Like I said, we're sent here to the channel by Battlbox. We definitely appreciate them supporting the channel for so many months, years by now, right? So again, you got a bunch of stuff here. You're going to have, this is April 2021, mission 74. And you do got some medical stuff. You got some way to make a fire, and you got some other stuff. To tell you the truth, guys, this box I wasn't really that impressed. I've been impressed with some of the boxes, but this one right here, it was like, whatever, right? So let me switch here. All right, so the first thing is gonna be some type of gauze dressing. Let me find it right here. Here we go. So this is gonna be the first thing right here. So 4x4, it values about $25. Obviously, if you have some kind of damage to your skin or anything like that, you will use that, right? So medical supplies, that's going to be the first thing. The second thing is going to be some type of device, micro men skin. Let me find this thing. I think it's this. And I want to say it's kind of like stitches. So if you get a cut or something like that, you could use this to kind of, close the wound or whatever. So that's gonna be the second thing. That's gonna be about $21, right? Then we're gonna have some toothpaste. Toothpaste. It's gonna be this right here, and essentially it's like a liquid, or not a liquid, like a powder, and you put it in your mouth, and boom, that's it, right? So that's gonna be about $14. And the last thing on the again, this is gonna be the basic box. On the basic box, it's gonna be this instant repellent. I feel like I could use this. This is gonna be about $17. So I feel like I could actually use this when I go camping and things like that. This is all the stuff that we got in here. Not so much. I mean, maybe in combat or something, I could have used this. Well, I guess in combat you could use that too. But again, so that's gonna be like the basic right there. So you have this items. It's gonna be the basic box right there, right? Let me put this to the side and let me go into the advanced box, which is gonna be some type of striker. Xl Tac Nano Striker XL right there. And again, guys, look at our bottle box has a whole video how to do this. This is gonna be about $29, and this is what you got right there. Obviously, a way to make fire or fire starter. Battlebox is always sending fire starters. They really dig them. So again, this is pretty cool to put in a bag, or camping or survival bag or get home bag, whatever. There's so many bags that is ridiculous. Made in the USA. Obviously, reusable, waterproof, precision, burns hot. I mean, you guys get the deal. So that's gonna be advanced box. Uh, Again, that's gonna be about $30. The Pro box is gonna be a wallet, right? So my kid asked me for this when I got it. He was like, "Let me get that wallet." So this is gonna be about. They say it's gonna be about $79. Let's open it up, and there's some type of wallet here. I don't. Okay. I don't know. I typically don't like these things. They look kind of funny to me. But again, $75. That sounds like $79. That sounds like a lot of money. So again, this is gonna be the wallet, the A10 wallet. Let me take it out again. Comes like this. So all right. So that's gonna be the wallet right there, right? And again, that's gonna be value about $79. It's called Dango Wallet A10 Adapt. And the Dango A series Adapt wallet combines the specific characteristics and function from the yada yada yada. All right. So hey, apparently it's 100% made in the USA. So some of you guys that say it's Chinese stuff, it is not Chinese stuff. So before I open the knife, which obviously there's always a knife for the month, let me show you some of the stickers right here in case you want to utilize them. And that's it. So all right, so the knife of the month, man, I get excited about the knife of the month. Typically, it's the Pro Plus, and it's gonna be a Fox Edge A-Trax. It's value $109, and it has a really nice steel. It really does. It has the, I think it's the VG10. It's a VG10 or something like that. Blade length 2.75. Overall length is 6.9. Close length is going to be 4.1, and the weight is going to be about 3.4 ounces. And again, very cool. Let me show it to you guys. When I saw it, I thought it was really, really cool. I got something planned for this. I think I'm going to give it away to somebody. But again, very, very cool. It looks really classic too as well, which again, that's kind of cool, right? So this is what we got right there. Very, very nice. This is really nice. Let me see. Ooh, look at that blade. Wow. I mean, the aggressive look of this knife is just phenomenal. I mean, it looks really aggressive. Like when you hold it, wow. Look at that. Looks really, really nice. Let me bring it in camera. Very, very close right there. Look at that. Look at that. That's mean looking. Very, very. I don't know why this is this color. I wish it would have been green, but again, mean looking. Yeah. So I dig it. So, I mean, overall, guys, what do I think about this box? Not impressive at all. Really not impressive at all. I'm not gonna bash Battlbox, at least not today. I have done in the past. But the items that we got, I mean, it was not impressive at all. I think they could have done a lot better. Some of those things like toothpaste, and I mean, this is like medical things, but really, it's not part of a system. It's just a couple. Feels like it's just like filling. Put them in there, and put this in here. Like this have to do with this. I mean, it's kind of like all over the place, in my opinion. Like start a fire. It was very very random, if you ask me. But there you have it, guys. Let me know what you think. Put comments down below, and as always, God is in control.